Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. Today we are going to be making 2-ingredient mini cupcakes, guys. Yes, we're going to use our mini cupcake holder today. This is inspired collaboration by Mama Ray Ray. Check out her link down in the description. And it's hashtag friendship. Bringing everyone in the community get together. Let's be friends, guys, and let's get busy. Okay guys, so as I said, this is a 2-ingredient cupcake or cake recipe. The only ingredients you will need is any box of cake mix. I have chosen to use a chocolate cake mix and soda. There's various sodas, there's various combinations. I'm using Sprite with my chocolate cake. Now again, guys, this recipe came straight from Mama Ray Ray. I have never made it before. I've never eaten it before. I've never tried it before. I've never seen it before. I've never done any of those things. So today, we're going to do it. So all we need to do is mix the batter with the soda, put it in our cupcake holders, and guess what? We're going to bake it 375 degrees, and we are going to have an amazing 2-ingredient mini cupcake. So I'm going to set this aside for just one moment while we go ahead and prepare our tray. Now, I like to use these guys because they're quick, they're simple, and they're easy. And at the end of the day, the cleanup is even better. So we're just gonna stick these in here like this. I don't need any cooking oil. I don't need any cooking spray. I don't need any butter. After all, guys, Mama Ray Ray said this was a 2-ingredient cupcake or cake mix. Now guys, there's a lot of people participating in this. It's hashtag friendship. So just put in the YouTube search, hashtag friendship, and you'll get everybody's video. You'll get all of them, guys, so check them all out. Okay, we are done preparing our pan. Let's set that aside, get our utensils over here. And I'm not exactly sure what's gonna work best, so I've got a spatula, I've got a spoon, and I've got a whisk. Yes, this is a large measuring bowl. I won't really need it as far as the measuring is concerned, but we need 12 ounces of soda, so I'm just gonna fill this up to my 12-ounce mark here with my Sprite so that I can be all ready to mix it together. Now, she said 12 ounces, guys. 12 ounces, 12. So I don't wanna go over, because we're going to see how this comes out. Okay, they're supposed to rise like normal and taste amazing, and I don't doubt that they will. Okay, let's get our cake mix open. And let's get it poured in. Okay, I think I'm going to need a knife for this, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back, so we're just going to pour our chocolate cake mix into our bowl. Get it all in there, guys. You know, the love is in the bag, in the pan, or whatever it's coming out of. So let's get it all in there, set that bag aside. I'm going to start off with my whisk. We'll see how that works. This is 12 ounces of Sprite. Let me make sure now, come on, because Mama Ray Ray said 12 ounces. So we're gonna make sure it's 12 ounces in here, not 14, not 8, but 12. Because see, this is a 2-ingredient cupcake cake recipe. And I want you all to all try this. I'm gonna set this aside, but not too far, because I'm gonna use it again. Okay, guys, so we just need to mix this together. And it looks like, with this 12 ounces of soda I have in here, that so far, guys, my whisk is working perfect. So it doesn't look like I'm going to need my spoon or my spatula. That's amazing. Okay, guys. Don't forget, guys, it's hashtag friendship. Hashtag friendship, guys. Okay. All right, all right, all right. I think we've got it done here. And this actually has a spout on it, so I may not need the other one. Now, if I make a big mess, you guys are gonna have to excuse me because I'm gonna try to pour this into this. So I'll be right back and we'll get it all poured in. Okay guys, we are back. So let me see if I can do this without making a humongous mess. I think I will use my spoon a little bit just to catch the drippings here, if there are any. Yep, there we go. There we go. So you just want to fill your cupcake holders up. If you're making a cake, just pour it in the pan. All right. Whoops, there we go with the mess. Okay. Okay, we're gonna stop there for a minute and back at it again. We're gonna go ahead and get all of these filled up, guys, and then we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have got them all filled up, as you can see. And we are getting ready to go into the oven, but before we do, if you have not subscribed to this channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, ding dong. I'll always open my door for you. So turn on the bell so you can get my next video when I upload it. Be the first to check out Chef and More's new dish, whatever that may be. Come on, guys. We're getting ready to go in the oven. Let's get busy. Okay, guys, so we have our mini friendship cupcakes, 2-ingredient, cake mix and soda. Yep, soda. In a 375-degree oven for I don't know how long. Yep, chef doesn't know how long because I haven't made mini pancakes in many, many years. Okay, no pun intended. But we'll find out just how long we bake them when they come out. I've got my oven light on, as you can see, and they are in there. And I'm gonna keep an eye on them. Do the toothpick test. And when they're done, they're done. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Coming straight out of the oven. Look at that, they rose beautifully. They smell amazing. Yes, and guys, I'm gonna decorate them just a little bit, not much, and since we are using box cake mix, I'm going to use some regular, plain, white frosting, but I am gonna decorate them. So we'll be right back. Let me get my little decorator. Okay, guys, so I am all ready to ice our mini cupcakes. But before we go there, I just want to say once again that this is a collab challenge from Mama Ray Ray or Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen. You can put in either one, she'll come up. Her link is going to be down in the description. This is #FriendshipCake, #FriendshipCupcake. Just bringing the YouTube community together, guys. Let's come together. That's Mama Ray Ray's vision, and it's what she's trying to do with the #friendship. So I invite all of my subscribers and anyone viewing this video that is a content creator to do #FriendshipCupcake. It only takes 2 ingredients, like I said in the beginning, and I have used Betty Crocker soft, moist Devil Foods Devil Food chocolate cake mix, and with it, 12 ounces of Sprite. So you only need 2 ingredients. Now I am using technically a 3rd ingredient because I am going to decorate them, but I'm just using Pillsbury white frosting. You don't have to decorate them. You can just simply do the challenge as is using the 2 ingredients. So without further ado, let's get busy. Okay guys, so since these are mini cupcakes, I'm going to try to decorate them as neatly as I can. I am typically used to decorating a larger base, and I am not a baker or a decorator. So bear with me here, And let's see if we can get these things going. I'm just gonna start over here. And I just have a basic little decorator. It's nothing fancy. Just press down and go around and see what you get. Okay. All right. And guys, go ahead and share the video out. Let's get as many people as we can in on this challenge. Challenge collab is what I like to call it. Hashtag friendship. Okay, and I'm going to have to fill back up my little container here, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are all done. Look at that. Don't they look amazing? Fantastic, guys. Hashtag friendship. Okay guys, now we're going to do our taste test, guys. Our taste test. All right. Let me see. This looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes, I'm just gonna take a little piece off of here, guys. I just want you to see how fluffy that is inside. Look at that. Isn't that fluffy? That is amazingly fluffy. It rolls, it's soft. Yes, Let me see if I can taste this. Whoa, 2 ingredients and soda? Oh my God, guys, you have got to try this. This is amazing. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out in my kitchen with me today. I'm gonna grab me a little coffee and finish this cupcake, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments. Come on, guys, participate. Get in the kitchen, make this, come on now. Come on, share it out, share it out, share it out. You know what I always say? Sharing is caring. Guys, don't forget the thumbs up. YouTube loves the thumbs up. And guess what, guys? So do I. All right, guys, I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.